Hello everybody. Welcome back to English World 2004. Do you think your English vocabulary is good, great, or magnificent? In today's video, we'll go through 25 vocabulary words quite randomly from A1, beginner level, to C2, master level, and even beyond that, to rare, powerful words most people don't know. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. So the first word is scrutinize, C2. Scrutinize means to examine something very carefully. For example, the manager scrutinized the report for errors. Imagine someone looking at a photo so closely they can see a single hair out of place. That's what scrutinizing means. If you already know this word, you're among 45% of English speakers, non-natives, who already know this word. Word number 2, eat, A1. Well, that's super easy, 99.9%. Word number 3, ambiguous, C1. It means having more than one possible meaning. For example, his response was ambiguous. Imagine someone answers your question, but their answer could mean two different things. That's ambiguous, 60%. Word number 4, friend, A2, 98%. Word number 5, sedulous, C2+. Definition: working hard and being very careful. For instance, she was sedulous in her speech. Imagine someone studying for hours without checking their phone once. That's sedulous. If you already know this word, you're among 5 to 8% of non-native English speakers who already know this word. Word number 6, decide, B1. It means to choose between options after thinking. Example: he decided to move to another city. Imagine standing between two doors and finally picking one. That's deciding, 95%. Word number 7, blithe, C2+. Definition: cheerful and carefree, sometimes too much. Example: she gave a blithe smile and walked away. Imagine someone laughing at a serious meeting like nothing's wrong. That's blithe. It's known by around 10 to 12% of non-native English speakers. Word number 8, interpret, C1. Definition: to explain or understand the meaning of something. Example: how do you interpret this painting? Imagine someone telling you a story and you try to figure out the hidden message. That's interpreting. It's known by around 70% of non-native English speakers. Word number 9, cold, A2. That's another easy word. 98% of people know this word. Word number 10, evaluate, C1. Definition: to judge the quality, importance, or value of something. For example, the teacher will evaluate your writing tomorrow. Imagine reading an essay and giving it a score from 1 to 10. That's evaluating. 70% of non-native English speakers know this, and you're among them. Word number 11, salubrious, C2+. Definition: healthy or good for your well-being. Example: they moved to a salubrious neighborhood near the mountains. Imagine fresh air, green trees, and zero stress. That's salubrious. Only about 8 to 10% of non-native English speakers has heard of this word. Word number 12, travel, B1. It means to go from one place to another, usually far. For example, I love to travel to new countries. Imagine packing your suitcase and heading to the airport. That's travel. 93%. Word number 13. Comfortable. B2. Definition: feeling relaxed or not in pain. For example, these shoes are very comfortable. Imagine sitting on a couch with soft pillows and no pressure. That's comfortable. 88%. Word number 14. Munificent. C2+. Definition: very generous. Example: he made a munificent donation to the hospital. Imagine someone giving away money like candy. That's munificent. If you're already familiar with munificent, you're among 10% of non-native English speakers who know this word. Word number 15. Explain. B2. Definition: to make something clear. Example: can you explain how this machine works? Imagine being the smart friend who tells others what's going on. That's explaining. 90%. Word number 16. Tutelage. C2+. Definition: instruction or teaching by someone more experienced. For example, he improved his writing under the tutelage of a famous author. Imagine a wise teacher guiding you step by step. That's tutelage. It's known by around 10 to 12% of non-native English speakers. Word number 17. Subtle. C2. Definition: not obvious or easy to notice. Example: she gave him a subtle nod. Imagine a secret message in a smile. That's something subtle. 55%. Word number 18. Alleviate. C2. Definition: to make something less bad or painful. Example: the medicine helped alleviate the pain. Imagine turning down the volume on your stress. That's alleviating. It's known by around 45% of non-native English speakers. Word number 19. Dog. A1. 99.9%. Word number 20. Assumption. C1. Definition: something you believe without proof. Example: don't make assumptions without asking. Imagine thinking someone is very angry just because they didn't smile. That's an assumption. 65%. Word number 21. Plausible. C2. Definition: seems likely or believable. Example: that's a plausible excuse, but I still don't trust it. Imagine someone says they missed school because their alarm clock flew away. Not plausible, right? But if they say they overslept, that's plausible. 45%. Word number 22. Improve. B2. It means to make something better. Example: you can improve your English with practice. Imagine someone going from 5 push-ups to 20 push-ups. That's improvement. 90%. 23. Consequently. C1. Definition: as a result. For example, she forgot to set her alarm clock. Consequently, she was late. Imagine someone doing something wrong and instantly facing the result. That means consequently. 65%. The next word is forthcoming. C1. It means about to happen or be released, or willing to share information. For instance, the forthcoming meeting will discuss the new project. Have you ever seen someone wait for a big event, like a concert or a release, that you know is about to happen? That's something forthcoming. 60% of non-native English speakers know this word. And the last word is conundrum. C2 level. It means a confusing and difficult problem or question. For example, deciding whether to follow my passion or take a high-paying job is a real conundrum. Imagine you're holding two keys, but you don't know which one opens the right door, and both doors look important. That's a conundrum. 40%. And that's a wrap, everybody. You've just learned 25 English vocabulary words, some easy, some tough, and some that sound like they belong in a royal speech. Now, tell me in the comments, how many did you already know? Which one was your favorite? And if you knew words like blithe, tutelage, and sedulous, you're in the top 5% of learners. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Also, hit that bell for more vocabulary fun. Love you guys. See you next time.